Welcome back to the channel. Hot work on a ship is one of the highest risk operations a crew can undertake. It is defined as any activity that involves open flames, produces heat, or generates sparks. Think welding, cutting, grinding, or using a blowtorch. These seemingly simple tasks introduce a severe fire and explosion risk because a ship is a complex, confined environment full of fuel, oil, insulation, and flammable materials. A hot work permit is not merely paperwork. It is a detailed checklist, a binding contract to safety that must be signed and strictly followed before the first spark flies. It acts as the final barrier against catastrophic events. The procedure begins with a risk assessment. The responsible officer must scrutinize the exact location and scope of the work, identifying all potential hazards. This includes checking for flammable or combustible materials not just in the immediate work area, but also on the opposite side of bulkheads or decks above and below. Conduction of heat through steel can ignite materials far away from the actual welding site. The core of the permit is preparation. The work area must be cleared. All portable combustibles like rags, oil, or temporary wooden staging must be removed for a minimum radius, often 10 meters. Immovable combustible structures like insulation or cable trays must be protected using fire-resistant blankets or non-combustible shields. Any deck or bulkhead penetrations through which sparks could fall must be sealed. Next, the atmosphere must be tested. A competent person must use a calibrated gas detector to confirm that the area is gas-free with no flammable vapors present. Ventilation is mandatory. The space must be continuously and positively ventilated throughout the entire duration of the work to remove any noxious fumes and prevent the buildup of flammable gases. The heart of the safety process is the fire watch. A dedicated and trained crew member must be stationed continuously at the work site and in adjacent compartments for the entire duration of the work. This person's sole responsibility is to watch for fire. They must be equipped with communication gear and readily available firefighting equipment such as a pressurized fire hose and portable extinguishers. The permit will specify the exact duration, typically limited to one shift. If the work is interrupted or the permit expires, all checks must be repeated and a new permit issued. The individual performing the hot work must be competent in their trade, and the person issuing the permit must be authorized and fully familiar with the ship's safety management system. The master or a designated responsible person provides the final authorization. Hot work is an immense responsibility. Never take shortcuts. The permit to work is the ship's first line of defense against the disaster of fire at sea. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.